Taurus, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of May 2021. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use this Oracle deck with respect to your love life, that is. This is another deck to sum up this reading or to wrap up this reading. This is the messages from the angels. Taurus, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May for Taurus, we have the Lovers card. Possibly in this period, there was excess of communication. Maybe there was also a choice with respect to work, or maybe with respect to your personal life. Definitely you had made some gains with respect to work. Maybe you were deliberating that you should have charged a higher amount from your client. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Five of Wands. Surely Taurus, you can expect changes in your schedule. Maybe you will have to adjust and act as per the situation, as there's no way out. Sometimes you may deter or you may procrastinate when it comes to running errands for your family members, but in the end you will carry on with the task. That is why your family members may think that why do you create such a fuss, or why do you need to be pestered to do the tasks at hand. Interestingly, in this month also, I think you should pay attention to the ideas that are coming in your mind, because there could be something fruitful here which you should act upon. Influences for the month, we have the Queen of Cups. For Taurus, I think you may find yourself getting worked up on account of problems that are there. Maybe you will be quite busy. Ideally, I think Taurus, you should also watch your mouth. Maybe you should get a grip on your temperamental behavior. Sometimes, criticism can unnerve us so much so that we could overreact to situations. Also this month, Taurus, you should be wary of females. Basically, you're being called upon to keep your ego aside. Maybe there are issues here. You feel that somebody is also undermining your position or authority. Maybe at the workplace, there's a person who is trying to do just that. That is why you feel cornered and you want to assert yourself. But people who are watching from the sidelines feel that you should have a more cooperative approach. The first 10 days of May, for Taurus, we have the Three of Swords. This is a challenging period. Maybe you have to deal with long hours at work. It could be quite hectic. Definitely the excess work could leave you exasperated. But you should also be careful, because your sharp words could also mar your relationship. So hold your tongue, or rather you should detach yourself from certain situations, because you are tending to overreact. Also Taurus, I think whatever is said in strict confidence to you should not be revealed. Maybe there could be a breach of trust here. In financial dealings also, I think you should be more transparent. While working, Taurus, you may find that the work environment is a bit stifling. Like I said, somebody could undermine your position. Maybe there's rivalry and backstabbing that you're dealing with. However, there will be other gains which you can expect in this period. Besides, your presence of mind is also going to help your acquaintances and friends. The first 10 days, I'm also picking up that you should guard against ill health. We do have another Swords energy, the Queen of Swords, for the next 10 days, that is 11 to 20th May. I think you are going to be somebody who's quite aloof and has a nice, cool temperament. Maybe you prefer to keep to yourself and you don't want to explain yourself or explicate yourself. Largely, I think the focus this period will be on work. You may be a bit apprehensive or tentative, but then you are not going to show it. Even if you're on the edge, you are not going to betray your emotions. Your poise is definitely not going to desert you. The Queen of Swords energy is also one which is free and impartial when handling situations. So this is why you're also going to be someone who does that. Maybe you are somebody who's going to put your demands and views across quite succinctly. This time you may also find yourself rescheduling meetings with clients. Maybe you've already done the groundwork, but then you have to rework your schedule. Money and wages could also come in for Taurus. Maybe you will get more than you had asked for. So this is a definite plus. Incidentally, there could also be times when gadgets could malfunction, or there could be technical issues that you have to deal with. We do have two queens in your reading. So far, we do have the Queen of Cups. That's why I did say that maybe you're going to act as per your emotions and your intuition. Other than that, you're also going to use your intellect. Interestingly, I think this month you'll also be somebody who's going to focus on spiritual matters. Maybe you should do some aura cleansing to bring in positive energy in your surroundings. Between 21st to 31st, maybe have the Seven of Pentacles. This is the time when you will want to plan about the future. Maybe you're also somebody who is going to do the groundwork for the future. Basically, you could be investing in gadgets or in mutual funds. Incidentally, Taurus, if you want to ask for a hike, then this is the best time to do so. Maybe you should ask for an increment. This month is also the time when you should apply for a job. Maybe you should also quote a higher price, especially towards the final days. You could come away making gains. While dealing with clients, I think a junior will be somebody who will speak up for you. Maybe there's a client who always wants you to make allowances for him, but then this junior or this colleague could be firm while dealing with this person, so he's not able to take undue advantage of your services. This month, Taurus, you could also be looking for missing objects. With respect to your love life, we have the card 555, Wisdom, Wake Up Call, Time to Move in a New Direction. This is interesting because we did have 5 of Wands. Certainly, Taurus, you're being called upon to communicate with this person whom you're crushing on or whom you're dealing with. I think single Taurus, maybe there's also going to be a marriage proposal. Perhaps your family members have zeroed in on someone on a matrimonial site. So that is why you're going to blush. There are going to be changes in your schedule, like I did outline in this reading. Likewise, Taurus, you can expect to be the center of attention. I think, Taurus, you're coming across as someone who's going to be quite attractive. Your admirers are going to be desperate this month. Maybe they are looking for ways to communicate with you because we do have 555. Basically, they just need a window of opportunity to communicate or to express their feelings. You will surely love this attention, but you also know that you should not cross the line if you're disinterested. I think you're also somebody who's going to be a heartbreaker. Maybe you're going to be quite aloof like the Queen of Swords. In case, Taurus, you're crushing on someone, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. Maybe you will observe his moods. There's also the huge possibility that there could be a work-related romance for some of you. Maybe you are going to be coming across as someone who's quite intelligent, but then you're also somebody who could put limitations on yourself. Ideally, I think you should go with the flow rather than put these roadblocks in your love life. On the other hand, romancing, Taurus, I think you should be worried because there could be opposition to your love life. Perhaps your sibling or a loved one may tattle about your secret romance to your family elders. Basically, you want everything to remain undercover. Nonetheless, I think your darling is someone who will win the approval of your friends and acquaintances. Maybe they find him to be somebody who's quite humble and down to earth. Oftentimes, the two of you will also be discussing work-related strategies. You'll bounce ideas off each other. He will also acknowledge that you're quite talented. At times, you could say something which could be untoward. So, Taurus, I think you should be mindful of that. Those of you who are in on-again, off-again relationship will definitely want to rekindle the romance, but then you will be hesitant. Perhaps you will stop short. Married Taurus, I think there'll be those times when you find yourself being blamed unnecessarily. Maybe your spouse thinks that you're flirting with a member of the opposite sex. It's quite possible that he will want you to limit your interactions with the opposite sex. This month, Taurus, you could also be playing on the role of the caregiver. Maybe your in-laws are unwell. In case you're in an extramarital relationship, maybe this person is not ready for you. Maybe he fears commitment. That is why you could feel a sense of loss. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be separation in a relationship, or there could be a distance which you want to bridge. Perhaps that is why you're feeling heartbroken. The last card in this reading is launching your journey from the Gateway Oracle cards. I think, Taurus, you're being called upon to launch that project that you have in mind. Earlier in this reading, I did say that your mind could be teeming with ideas. So maybe you should work on those ideas rather than let them just be in your head. You are being called upon to take that leap of faith. For some of you, there could also be travel plans. Interestingly, this card also reminds me that you could be making spiritual progress. This is also a kind of a journey for you. Ideally, I think Taurus, you should take that leap of faith. You should let go and enjoy the ride. All in all, Taurus, the possibilities are enormous. That is why the angels are asking you to move ahead. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Tara with Rihanna Stock. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stock signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.